Alright, so this morning I'm working on a video from, it was quite a few years ago. It's a turkey hunt with me and my cousin Dustin. And I think I was using a handy cam from Walmart. And so the audio is virtually not there at all. And the video part of it, it's just very low quality. So, but we had these birds roosted across the field and they pitch down, and the next thing we know, 20-30 minutes later, after they get on the ground, they flush back up into the trees. Well, then it was a coyote came across the ridge to us. We wound up and killed him and sat there for another 45 minutes to an hour watching the birds in the tree, and then they pitched down, would not come to us. So that's where we're going to get into the video. When I started recording it was when they went back up into the tree the second time, and right before they pitched down the second time. So let's get into it and let me know what you guys think. Just bear with me because, like I said, this video quality is not good at all. They fly down, and right here we sat for probably 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and he was gobbling everything, but we could tell he wasn't moving the area he was in. So we decided to put a little sneak on him. So Dustin takes off across the field, and I hang back and see if he can get up there and get a shot at him.
Heck yes. Stop this son. Was that the big one? Oh, the other two were hens. Oh, really? Man, they are strong. He's got his foot down. He cut the shit out of me with his spur. Did he? Oh, yeah. That one spur. Look at that.